Hello there and welcome back to the Four Pillars Business Channel. Today the topic is on the second pillar of advice, and I'm giving you advice on how to get a lower accounting fee. If you are price sensitive or you just want a lower accounting fee, then this is the bill for you. I'll be discussing generally how accountants charge you for their services, either in a fixed rate or a per hour rate. There's a trend in the accounting industry with more emphasis on charging a fixed rate or agreed pricing. This will align to an estimate that they would give you for your services. How they provide this estimate, every accountant has their own method. When a client asks me for a fixed rate or an agreed fee, I usually request a trial balance and I will make an assumption on the amount of work that's needed, and I will base it on how much time I think it's going to take me, and with that, my basic charge out rate. So if I get a basic corporation that only wants a T2, I might just quote $1,200 if there's, a few cash accounts, AR, a few liabilities, and so on. It's probably going to take me, not that long to do. So at $1,200 is an acceptable rate. If your accountant or professional is charging you a fixed rate, then they won't have a lot of flexibility to increase the amount of time spent if more time is needed to complete the job. My advice to any client is to ensure that you define the scope of what the bill is for. For example, if you have your year-end package in which you need a whole year of bookkeeping done, plus you want a T2 completed, plus maybe some other tax returns like a GST, a T4, a T5, and maybe even your own T1 completed, you want to make sure that you get this in writing or get your word from your accountant at the minimum to make sure that all of this is covered, because the rate that they provide you may only be for one of the products. Another thing that especially commonly in the bookkeeping industry is a per month fixed rate. And they will do all your bookkeeping, perhaps even send out invoices and other reconciliations, and then also do your T2 as an all-encompassing package, and they might charge something along the lines of $100 to $200 per month. For the accountant, this is really great because they get fees throughout the year and work throughout the year, where this could come in at any time, and if it comes in busy season, which we're currently in, can be a bit of a hassle. The general and status quo scenario, which you're going to get with a lot of accountants, is a per the hour rate. If you have a big firm, then they may have multiple scales of rates in which it goes from $90 per hour to $500 per hour, in which the junior is only charged out at $90, the senior maybe $200, and the partner up to, and maybe even in some other cases, bigger firms, up to $500. The junior might do 10 hours of work, the senior might do 3, and then the partner will only do 1 hour. This structure here means that the accountant is not left out of pocket for having to do more work, and the client has to pay quite a bit more and doesn't have a lot of fee certainty. However, one option that you can do if you are in a situation is to ask your accountant what you can do to reduce the time spent so that they are spending less hours that they're going to charge to do the services that you want. Ask them if you can perhaps organize your files in a way so that so that it takes less time somewhere down here, somewhere on where the juniors have to spend less time. Or maybe if you title your documents, or even provide summaries, so that this might even be eliminated, and the senior can simply just use the summaries. Make sure that you keep it simple, stupid, with your files. Don't make your accounting too complicated, because any time that needs to be spent by your accountants is going to be charged out. In conclusion, if you want a lower accounting fee, you need to reach out to your professional and have that uncomfortable conversation about what their rate is and how the bill is made up. It's not uncommon that clients are price sensitive. It's a part of many professionals' job to ensure their rates are discussed and talked about. It's a source of much conflict between clients and professionals. The billing time, it's very tense. I wish there was less stigma about this topic, because the more dialogue we have about this, then the happier both parties can be. If you have any further questions, please reach out. I look forward to any questions. Thank you.